Alright, science fans, let's dive into the wild world of radioactive rocks. Today, I'm ranking the top 5 uranium ores by their radioactivity. Yep, uranium isn't just one thing, it comes in a bunch of different minerals, each with its own atomic punch. Before I go further, quick safety note: radioactive materials are no joke. Don't go hunting for these in your backyard. Coming in at number 5, we have uraninite. This is the classic. If you picture uranium ore, you're probably thinking of uraninite. It's got that deep, pitch-black look, and it's the main source of uranium worldwide. Its radioactivity? Strong, but not the craziest on this list. Uraninite clocks in at around 2 to 3% uranium by weight, which makes it a steady, reliable source. At number 4, carnotite. This one's wild, a bright yellow, almost neon mineral that occurs out west in the US. Carnotite is actually a double whammy, uranium and vanadium. Its uranium content is lower than uraninite, but it's super radioactive because the uranium is more exposed on the surface. Plus that flashy color, total eye-catcher. Number 3, torbernite. This is the Instagram star of uranium ores. It's this gorgeous emerald green crystal, almost too pretty to be dangerous. But trust me, it is. Torbernite forms in damp conditions, so you'll find it in old mine tunnels or copper deposits. Its radioactivity is high, get too close and you'll light up a Geiger counter. Runner-up spot, number 2, autunite. Picture lemon-lime, neon yellow-green sheets. Autunite looks like something from another planet, and it packs a solid radioactive punch. It's a secondary uranium mineral, meaning it forms when other uranium ores break down, and as it breaks down it gets even more radioactive, so it's both beautiful and a little bit scary. And at number 1, the king of radioactive uranium ores, pitchblende. Now, pitchblende is basically a super concentrated form of uraninite, but it's incredibly dense and can contain up to 80% uranium. This is the mineral that made Marie Curie famous, and unfortunately, sick. It's so radioactive that miners back in the day would actually use it to light up watch dials. Don't try that at home. So, there you have it, the top 5 uranium ores ranked by radioactivity. From black, glassy uraninite to neon green autunite, these minerals are as fascinating as they are dangerous. Science is wild, isn't it? If you like this radioactive deep dive, hit subscribe for more.